Hey guys, it's Mr. Kram, and this week we are going to fight a war against gravity. And it's this. Can I get this flimsy, flexible paper to hold up this book, which by the way, is a really good book when you're an older student. And the problem is gravity is fighting me on this, because gravity is always pulling things to the center of the earth. Anything that weighs anything, the air, this book, this table, me, is getting pulled by gravity to the center of the earth. And this book really wants to fall, and I'm asking the challenge to be, can I get this paper to stop that book from falling down? And I think I can. Now, that's not going to work, but you know what is? Tubes. Check this out. All I need is a piece of paper, and I used this blue tape just because I had it. You can use any kind of tape, and you only need a little tiny piece. Check this out. All I'm going to do is take this, and I am going to roll it up into a tube. Now, the key is you want to tap it very lightly on the table or something hard, just to make sure that it's nice and even on the top and nice and even on the bottom. And then I'll take my tape, and I'm just going to go ahead really lightly place it on there. And all of a sudden, I've got this cylinder shape. This is a tube. Can this help me win the war on gravity? Let's find out. Got to keep this book from falling down. All right, very carefully. Check that out. It worked. It's the same piece of paper. I only added a little piece of tape, and I just changed the shape. So this flimsy, flexible paper is all of a sudden become very rigid and very strong. Strong enough to hold up this book. And actually, you know what? I'm going to double down on this experiment. I have a reading group where we're doing this, so I have a bunch of copies of these. Now, I predict that I can do it. Let's find out. Look at that. All right, you know what? Let's go for 3. Let's live large. My prediction, I think I can still do it. Wow, this is just one piece of paper. All right, number 4, this is all I have right now, so let's see. My prediction, yes. Look at that. I've gotten 4 books on one sheet of paper. Now, let me go ahead and, oh, look at that. It just came undone. Wonder how long that's going to stay. Anyways, let me explain your challenge. Okay, you'll need some scrap paper and some tape. Start making some tubes. As many as you want. Wide tubes, thin tubes, tall tubes. Once you've made all the tubes that you want to make, and you've kind of played around with them a little bit just to figure out how they work together, I want you to move on to the following challenges. Alright, first things first, I got 4 books on my one tube. Can you get more books on your tube? Or better yet, can you use more than one tube? Like put some tubes next to each other. And can you get even more books using multiple tubes? I think you can. And I want you to find out how many you can get. Now, once you've figured out how many books your tubes can hold, I want you to find out what the heaviest object is that your tubes can hold. Now, if your tubes were crushed last time with the books, you might need to make a few more for this, but can they hold your backpack? Can they hold a box of toys? A cat? Well, actually, don't do that one. You'll probably want to find heavy things that are also flat on the bottom. Okay, bonus crazy challenge. Can the tubes hold you? Now, this might be a tough one, but you have some tubes. You might as well give it a go. And if this actually happens, have someone take a photo. I want proof. Now, good luck with this, friends. I hope you can win the war on gravity. I'll see you next week.